Yeah, chick, 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 chick. Yeah, chick, 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 chick. Yeah, very peaceful back here. These chickens get to enjoy this beautiful chicken run, which is really quite large for a small handful of chickens. And what we do is we just pile in cuttings. Just pile them in, try to disperse them so that they don't create mounds, but you know, it's good, big enough space we could just kind of throw a branch here, throw a branch there. And these chickens break it down and turn it into soil very reliably. Anything in here gets turned into soil over a period of time. It might be 2-3 months, but all of this will be down to what looks like just soil within about 3 months. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and check out Jedi Jingle Maker.